And guys, this video is brought to you by 𝗕𝗪𝗀𝗀. Now live on the Binance Smart Chain, you can swap, stake and earn on 𝗕𝗪𝗀𝗀 for extremely lucrative rewards. Now 𝗕𝗪𝗀𝗀 is VenomDAO's latest initiative after establishing ViperSwap, Harmony's leading decentralized exchange. Head over to 𝗕𝗪𝗀𝗀exchange and start earning rewards today.
Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. Great to have you back for another video. So today we're going to be talking about Binance, just a bit of an update around what they're doing to solve the compliance issues that they've got with different countries in the world. And if you find this type of video really useful and informative, please can I ask that you mash up that like button, subscribe, tap that bell and select all the notifications. This really helps the channel push out the content to like-minded individuals. And comment below, let me know what your thoughts are on this update on Binance, and have you got any concerns around Binance and what are they? Let me know in the comments below. Maybe there's a video I can do that can help you guys navigate the crypto exchanges at the moment. And with all that said, I do encourage everybody to revisit their exit strategies. The market is buzzing right now and we're seeing lots of price discovery, and I think it's really important with everything that's happening with Binance that you revisit those exit strategies, because we all know that Coinbase and various other exchanges freeze and have done previously in May and whenever there's like any big price hikes. So it's really important that you guys have an exit strategy so you're not left holding bags you're not expecting to be holding outside of the bull run. Now, I'm not going bearish all of a sudden. I'm just want to be really clear with everybody. It is important to yourselves and to us that you guys have got a really good strategy put in place. Obviously none of this is financial advice, it's just for educational purposes only, and you need to do your own research and make your own decisions before investing. And please never over invest more than you're willing to lose, right? So with all that said, let's get down to the desktop. Let's see what's cracking with Binance. We'll keep this video nice and short. Okay, so here we are. And I have done videos talking through everything Binance and everything that's going on. My expectation for Binance is literally like everything's going to be okay. They're a huge company, lots of resource in order to resolve these compliance or regulatory concerns that certain countries around the world have got. And I think I said on my last Binance update video that they have increased the size of their compliance team at Binance, and they are working on stuff in the background. And I think this sort of highlights it here. So Binance tightens customer verification process amid push for regulatory compliance. So, this should be really good news, music to people's ears, right, if you utilize Binance. So global cryptocurrency exchange Binance rolls out immediate verification requirements for all its users in a support of its expanded Know Your Customer, so this is also known as KYC, policy and anti-money laundering efforts. In a recent statement, the firm says that it has tightened customer verification to make Binance a safer crypto platform. Crypto Exchange says it is requiring all of its users to go through the immediate verification in order to further improve its risk management protocols and user protection. Completion of the new requirement involves submitting of identification documents that users, a user's photograph for facial recognition, so they can sort of get through that process. Users who decline to go through the additional verification steps will only be able to withdraw funds, close positions, cancel orders, and redeem tokens. And the CEO says the crypto exchange is tightening its verification requirements to improve platform security. Our vision is to create a sustainable ecosystem that is safe for all participants. In the last 4 years, we have led the groundwork by investing heavily in security and user protection. supporting law enforcement from around the world with high-profile investigations and helping cybercrime victims recover millions of dollars worth of stolen funds. And you know, they did help with like one of the most recent hacks, and they were, you know, I guess an integral part of that investigation and in resolving that particular issue, right, with law enforcement. So they do go sort of above and beyond, in my humble opinion, when it comes to trying to resolve some of these issues. The move comes as Binance takes steps to comply with regulatory standards across various territories, which we have mentioned in previous videos. The exchange is currently facing scrutiny from financial regulators around the world. Last month, the platform adjusted the daily withdrawal limit from 2 Bitcoin to 0.06 Bitcoin for users who do not complete all verification, KYC verification, that is. Binance also adopted other measures to enhance user protection, including plans to reduce its users' max leverage from 100 to 20x. Now, for me, that is a big deal, right? You know, when it comes to leverage trading and stuff like that, it's important that these exchanges do the best that they can to keep people safe. That is my opinion on it. So I'm really glad to see that articulated in this you know, article, really. So for me, it's not a massive update on Binance, but I kind of feel like this should be sort of feeling people with a bit more confidence surrounding Binance. Now, with all of that said, I have mentioned before, we shouldn't be keeping any of our crypto on exchanges, not large amounts anyway. You know, make sure that you've got like a hardware wallet or a wallet that you hold keys for. Now, we do have a link in the description for hardware wallet, which is Ledger. Nick and myself both have an S and we have an X. We live and breathe Ledger hardware wallets. You know, it's the way to go for you know, in Nick and my opinion. It's, you know, a safeguard. You guys work hard for your money. We should be making sure that, you know, nobody's able to steal it. And remember that old phrase, not your keys, not your crypto. So when it's on an exchange, you don't own the keys. You're not always able to withdraw it. If there's liquidity problems, you know, these exchanges will stop withdrawals. So, you know, you lose that control of your asset. So this is why we say it, not just because of, you know, it's Binance, but for me, it's really important. So I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you did, please mash up that like button. It really does support the channel. And we're trying to bring you as much, you know, meaningful content as possible. You know, we're highlighting projects super early, you know, like MTV, for example, which we've seen go on an absolute tear of over 270% since we mentioned it. And we're mentioning this, you know, as others are accumulating it silently. We're being really, you know, transparent and honest with you guys with our investments. So you can go do your research and you can get in super early. So do mash up that like button. It does help us out immensely. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe, tap that bell, select all the notifications so you never miss a thing. With all that said, take care. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.